Hey everyone, welcome to this review Tuesday. Thank you for joining me. I've got a new tool to try out. I actually bought two of them and I've put the two different shapes like up on onto the actual platform so we can try both rather than me having to swap them out. But normally it would be just one and then that, and I seem to have lost the other one of that, so probably somewhere nearby, knowing me, but right now. So I've put both of them on. But like I say, you only get one base normally, and then so it's just like that, and then you can switch it out. But I bought two so that well, actually I think I bought one and then I thought I'd lost the part, so I bought another, if I remember correctly. So yeah, we're gonna give this tool a go. It's from Beadalon. And basically it's supposed to create a shape within the wire. So I want to give it a go. It looks interesting, and I'm going to be using 0.8 wire. The reason being that I think 1mm would be too thick for this. So we're going to try each one on its own. I'm just going to cut a length, doesn't matter because obviously this is just a test. Were you doing it for a specific, piece, you might want to put exactly in. So you put the wire through here so that it keeps at the same level, and then you're supposed to feed it in, and then one of them has a handle and you're supposed to just start twisting. Oh, so the wire's got underneath. That's annoying. Let's put that back in there, shall we? I'm going to pull this out up here, put this back in. Oh, okay, I'm just going to cut it and start again. Alright, let's try again. So it seemed to go underneath, so I wonder if we need to hold it down slightly so that it can't move. Quite stiff, I have to say. Okay, so I'm going to do it a bit slower this... Nope, did it again. Okay, that's annoying. Okay, let's try again. I wonder if it's just this shape. Let's try the other one. That's not exactly ideal if you can only do a few. Let's give this one a go. Okay, we're going to thread it through here again. Right, oops. So I'm going to hold the wire this time. Let's see if holding the wire makes any difference. Okay. Okay, so this one, we're getting further along. Okay. This is working better. Okay, so I like this shape more than I like the other one, and I can speed up a bit. Okay, that's good. There we go, and we've got a nice shape. I like that actually, that's good. Alright, so this is good, this not so much. Let's try it again. Maybe if I use a different gauge. Okay, I've just found some 0.6, so let's see if this makes a difference at all. Okay, let's do if we swap sides as well, will that make a difference? It's stuck in place where it wants to be, fair enough. Okay, so let's give it a go. Let's put this through. It's like the wire automatically seems to want to go further down. Okay, let's okay, so if I hold the gear down so it's not able to slip, it works. So that's a little bit still popped out, but we got further than the first time. that I cut there. Let's have a look at the two shapes. I mean, difference wise there isn't a huge difference. That one's just slightly more rounder, so for ease, like that one was a lot easier, as you guys saw. I think actually it might be the shape, because obviously these have got sharp points. It grips the wire, whereas this, I think with it being slightly rounder, wasn't able to do that, so that's probably why it was slipping underneath more, I think. Obviously it worked better with a 0.6, so maybe it was the gauge as well, I'm not sure. So what do I think of this tool? Do I approve or do I not? I mean, for ease of creation, if I was going to try and make this myself, that would have took a lot longer. And I have a lot of ideas of what I'd like to do with this shape with regards to an upcoming tutorial. So I do definitely like this one. This one just is more effort than it was worth. So I don't know, can I half approve of it, guys? Can I half approve of the tool? I don't like this, I like this. I'm just going to put this to the side because meh. So I mean, you do get two parts with it, so from that point of view, if that works. This is really good. I do like this shape. I don't dislike this one, and if you're willing to put the effort in, obviously you are going to get a nice shape here. I do like it. It was just a lot of effort for, you know, a few inches of wire. So I don't know. I don't know whether to say approved or not. It's half approved. This part is approved. I like this. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to be using this in an upcoming tutorial. This bit not so much, and I don't care that I even lost a piece because that was rubbish and too much effort for me and my lack of energy, so no, goodbye. This one, yes, and I think I will be using this in an upcoming tutorial because I have an idea I really want to make. So yeah, this one, yes. You can obviously do it without without this, but this will be a lot quicker. I'll show that in the tutorial how you can do it without it. So yeah, I like this. Thank you for watching this review Tuesday. I will link in the description box below where I bought it. We also have a Facebook group if you guys are interested in joining. Come along, talk to us and all the people in the group, and try to create my own little community of people, you know, to support, love, whether you've got any, you know, I do this channel aimed at people like myself with dexterity, brain fog, vision issues, light and noise and life sensitivity, sensory overload, a whole host of symptoms, and you know, I did it aiming it at that, but anyone can obviously watch, and I think the fact that I do them simpler and give these tips for beginners is, people have been quite a fan of that and enjoyed that, so that's really good. Yeah, so if you want to keep updated and get to know each other, then do come along to the Facebook group. Other than that, I think that's everything for today. Thank you so much for joining me and giving me your time and energy. If you could hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to support me on my journey, that would be amazing. And there's a bell notification next to the subscribe button if you want to get notified when I do upload. Other than that, and that's everything I have to say. Thank you all so much for joining me. I love you all, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye guys.